Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Today we're making rich, melt-in-your-mouth chocolate sour cherry brownies. It has this perfect crispy crackly top and super fudgy center. So let's see how to make them. First, in a large saucepan, melt 150 grams of butter. Remove from heat and add in 200 grams of dark chocolate. Then stir well to combine using a rubber spatula. In a large mixing bowl, beat 3 eggs. Add in 3/4 cup of sugar. Keep beating until lighter in color and fluffy. Now, stir in melted butter and chocolate mixture and beat until well combined and smooth. Add in 3/4 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients until just combined. Do not overbeat as doing so, it will give you a cake-like textured brownies. Finally, fold in crushed walnuts. You can also use hazelnuts, peanuts, almonds, whatever you like. Pour the batter into a baking pan lined with parchment paper and use a spatula to smooth the top. Dot the sour cherries on top, but don't press them in. You can either use canned or frozen sour cherries, or fresh ones. Sprinkle with crushed walnuts. Bake in the preheated oven for about 40 minutes, but this can change depending on your oven, so please try not to overbake. Let cool in the pan about 15 minutes, and then you can lift them up together with the baking paper and let cool completely before slicing. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching!